What's up guys, it's OPS Daniel, and today I'm gonna be installing the turn signal lights on my truck and the third reverse light. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it and hope you guys like the video. I forgot to tell you guys to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna be installing these today. I have them right here. The ones I had were like old and they were burnt, so I'm gonna be changing them and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Alright, so I took the first headlight out. Now I'm gonna install the light.
Daddy,
If I can find them.
the lights?
See the lights.
Okay.
Um,
Daniel, I picked the phone.
let me look for them. Oh, I'm gonna install these right now. These are the old ones. They're like ugly. These are the new ones. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, now that I got it done, I'm gonna check if it works. Because, you know, you always gotta check.
Hey!
Now let me turn the truck on and see if it works. Oh yeah, it works. I'm gonna take the other one off. And hopefully it also works too. I'm gonna see if it works, because I don't think it does. Because it was like loose. Alright, I'm gonna see. Yeah, no, it doesn't work.
Yo no tengo un carro del año.
The left turn signal didn't work, so I think I'm ordering a new wiring harness. I'm gonna see how much it is, and I'm ordering it, and then I'm gonna install it and record a video. And later on, the third reverse light is coming in. I'm gonna install it and record. And I got 454 mirrors and they're coming in, but I'm not sure when. But I'm gonna record it when it comes in. I got these subs. I got this amp, these two 10s, and this 15 that I want to sell. So if you're interested, tell me. I'll roll the clips of these two. The amp, I'm not sure if it works. I haven't tried it out, but they told me it does. These were my old ones, but I got kickers. These were good, and this one also works good. So I'm gonna roll the clips and show you guys.
Rescue them niggas. I got friends to make sure you get the rest of them niggas. I gotta get the best of you. Whoever feeling hot, that AR got a heat sensor. Saying don't entertain them hungry.
So guys, the parts came in. I'm gonna open them up and show you guys right now. This is the first one. I didn't really like it, but I think I'm gonna like tint it if I can. Like make it a little bit dark so you can't see this. And it came with the bolts and everything, so I'm just connecting it to show you guys. And then I'm currently in school, but you know, I don't put my stuff. And then these are the mirrors. I'm guessing. Yeah, right here. What's it called? Well, they're aftermarket, but I saw, and they're not 454 mirrors. What's it called? I did it wrong. I thought they were 454 ones, but I'm gonna open up and show you guys. So it came with the first block here. These are the mirrors. They're nice, I like them. Oh, and they fold too. And it also came with this. I'm not sure what it's for, but... Oh! That's for the tailgate. That's cool, because I needed one. And this is the other one. Same thing, so what's the point of showing two if you already seen one? But and yeah, these parts are good. I mean, I'm gonna get them painted anyways. I'm gonna get it candy black because my truck's getting painted. So yeah, so let me figure out how to fold this. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, these are the parts. I'm gonna install them later, maybe during lunch or after school, cause you know, I take school serious. So when someone got, I mean, I didn't order this, but I guess they gave it to me because I got the mirrors and the reverse light. Next, I'm gonna order the tail lights. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna install it after school because I have to finish school first, and I'll record it when I'm installing the parts. I just finished installing the left mirror here. It looks good. I just did it like before because I didn't want to like struggle while showing you guys, and now I'm doing this one right here. So I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna show you guys. Good, and yeah, I mean, I think this goes there too. I'm not sure, but on the other side, I didn't do it. Like, it's just like that. So I think I have to add the plastic part, or I mean the foam part. So I'm gonna do it right now, and then I'm gonna install the door right now. I'm gonna install the door, and then the third reverse light right there. And I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, so my third reverse light didn't fit. It was like where you plug it in basically. This part didn't fit. I don't know why, if it's the year that I got it and it's the year of my truck, so I'm gonna return it and I'm gonna get a new one. I'm gonna make a whole different video on installing this, and maybe I'm gonna buy the tail lights while I edit. And I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until we guys done, we're out.